बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरे आप सब खैरियत से। हम स्टार्ट करते हैं पेज नंबर 62 से। This defeat can be corrected with the aid of a suitable converging lens. The lens refracts the light rays and they converge to form an image on the retina to an observer. These rays appear to come from a near point to form a sharp visual image on the retina. Fig 12.39b. Summary: when light traveling in a certain medium falls on the surface of another medium, a part of it turns back in the same medium. This is called reflection of light. There are two laws of reflection. Number one, incident rays. The reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same plane. Number two, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of refraction. I is equal to R. Like plane surfaces, spherical surfaces also reflect light, satisfying the two laws of reflection. In mirror, image formation takes place through reflection of light, while in lenses, image is formed through refraction of light. The equation related the distance of the object P from the mirror lens. Our lens, the distance of the image Q, and the focal length F of the mirror lens is called mirror lens. Formula given by 1 over F is equal to 1 over P plus 1 over Q. Magnification of a spherical mirror on the or thin lens is defined as the ratio of the image height to the object height. Example, magnification m is equal to image height, object height is equal to h and ho. Power of a lens. Power of a lens is defined as the reciprocal of its focal length in meters. Thus, power of a lens is equal to P is equal to 1 over focal length in meters. The SI unit of power of a lens is dioptry. It is denoted by a symbol D. If F is expressed in meters, so that ID is equal to 1 meter mass 1. Thus, 1 dioptry is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. The refractive index N of a material is the ratio of the speed of light in air to the speed of light V is in the material. Thus, N is equal to speed of light in air, speed of light in medium C over V. The bending of light from its straight path as it passes from one medium into another is called refraction. Refraction of light takes place under two laws called laws of refraction. These are stated as the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. 2. The ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence I to the sine of the angle of refraction R is always equal to a constant I sin I and sin R is equal to constant, where the ratio sin I and sin R is equal to the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium. I sin I and sin R is equal to N. This is also called Snell's law. The angle of incidence for which the angle of refraction becomes 90 degrees is called a critical angle. When the angle of incidence becomes larger than the critical angle, no refraction occurs. The entire light is reflected back into the denser medium. This is known as a total internal reflection of light. A simple microscope, also known as a magnifying glass, is a convex lens which is used to produce magnified images of small objects. A compound microscope is used to investigate the structure of small objects and has two converging lenses. The objective and the eyepiece Telescope is an optical instrument which is used to observe distant objects using lens as or mirrors. A telescope that uses two converging lenses is called a इन पावर टेलीस्कोप। उम्मीद है आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। हमारी वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करो, बेल आइकन का बटन दबाना मत भूलिएगा। थैंक यू।